of engineering mathematics,
Yeah.
right? Whatever course you have in your college. So the
Mhm.
what is the complementary function that we get when we are having this? Okay, so we get actually, and also we can say that this is a double root, right? Because
Sure.
if S is a set
If
of all points satisfying the hmm, hmm.
equation sin x equal to cos y, then which of the following statements are correct? Oh, this is a good question.
Can I do one thing? Can you try to write cos in terms of cos y in terms of sine? So that would be sine of pi by 2 minus y, or correct
I
or
think
wrong?
this would be a straight line.
Yeah, it should be a straight line. Because
Yeah,
after this you will use that.
because yeah,
Yeah, it's correct. Easy question, not
because
even.
x plus y will be pi by 2. That's only when this is true, right?
No, we can generalize also. We'll study that in equations. See, somebody uploaded their solution. So that's what I did also, right? Sine pi, you can write it like this. And now the thing is, don't say that this is only valid when x is pi by 2 minus 5. This is one of the solutions. But to generalize the solution, we can say that pi by 2 minus y is n pi. Basically, the generalization formula that we use for sine. We also use for cos, we also use for tan. Okay, we'll study that in equations tomorrow. So that is n pi plus minus 1 power n x. You know, in your example, what you did when you told me that x is only equal to this, so you put n as 0 and you got this, correct? But n can be any integer, any
Mm-hmm.
positive integer, negative integer, like that. Cannot be fraction
Yeah.
and all. Okay. So yeah, answer is correct. Eventually, we're getting a straight line only, right? Hmm. So all are easy questions only. You wouldn't find, I don't know, you would not probably find any good. If you do JEE advanced questions, mains questions, I think it's good enough. Do you have any other chapter in mind that we should take a question from IIT?
Right now,
Yeah.
I don't know. I can tell you which chapters I don't like. We can take those. Um,
Huh.
what about differential equations? Because we did a few integration ones.
Okay, differential. Let's take that.
I don't like
Differential.
coordinate either. We can take that.
Okay. See, differential. All these are easy questions, literally.
The main issue is like, see, even if I do like all which I want, obviously, and like there's negative marking and stuff like that. Like,
Mhm.
even if I do 45 questions out of 60 correct, I still can't really make like, mm, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Wait,
I
wait.
was saying even if I get like 45 questions correct, just physics, chemistry, maths, I would get 180, which would easily cross the bar. But that's very unrealistic, I feel, for myself.
I think you get IISc Bangalore at 200 plus.
Yeah, I think it's gonna go to 10.
Hmm. Okay, try this differential.
Could you do this?
Okay. See, honestly,
I'm getting halfway.
we can use some out of the syllabus methods for this, but since we cannot, so I think
We
best
can.
resort can.
I
What would
mean,
you
as
use?
long as we get the answer, if you have any method, we can do that.
No, I'll have to explain you that. Basically, this is a
Okay.
homogeneous equation first of all, and we're having all linear coefficients and all are constants. So
Yeah.
you can try to write this in terms of its complementary function, basically auxiliary equation. So
Yeah.
if
Let's
you
use that.
basically if you let d by dx as capital D, so do you think you are getting d square y plus p d y plus q y as 0? So are you getting the complementary sorry, the basically the auxiliary equation? Auxiliary, is the spelling correct?
No, but it's okay. I maybe yeah, probably not.
It couldn't be. It's correct.
It it's correct.
Auxiliary, yeah, it's correct. Auxiliary, correct. Okay, so d square, you took y common. Okay, so d square pd plus q equals to 0. Now you have to solve this equation like a quadratic equation. So you can let d as some other variable just so that it looks good. Otherwise, also it looks good only. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Now they have given you that p square is 4q. So I
Mm-hmm.
can take this as
Oh
p square by
yeah.
4.
I would just put PS4Q.
Okay, what is the value for m that you're getting? Well, basically, you'll have to, I think, do d is greater than is equal to 0 here, I think. From there, you will have a relation between p and q, but I think then also it's not going to work. So I think best can be that maybe we try one of these solutions, right? Hit and trial. So let's say they're
Yeah.
saying y square can never be a solution. Let me make that a solution. Okay, I put y square. So y square, the double derivative of y square would be what? 2y y dash. This is the first derivative. What is the
Yeah.
second derivative? So that is 2y y double dash plus y dash square.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the first derivative? Okay, that's everything is there only. Okay, so now let me try to write this. So I am getting,
This probably could be a solution.
okay, so I'm getting this, right? Y double dash plus p times of y dash. Y dash is this thing, and this is y double dash. So it's 2y y dash plus qy. Qy is 0. Okay, so am I getting, if I take y dash common, y double dash common, sorry. So am I getting 2? Okay, that is nowhere actually. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's 2y y double dash plus 2y dash square plus 2y
Mm-hmm.
y dash plus qy equals to 0. What can we do here? Or is this a dead end?
We could put PS4Q and try, but I don't think that's gonna work.
Okay, wait. We had this thing, right? Solve this equation. M is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. P square is 4q. So are we
Mm-hmm.
getting m as minus p by 2? Now, again, this is all, honestly telling you, this is all first year syllabus, right? Of engineering mathematics,
Yeah.
right? Whatever course you have in your college. So what is the complementary function that we get when we are having this? Okay, so we get actually, and also we can say that this is a double root, right? Because it's a quadratic, it should have two root, you know.
Yeah.
So we have a double root. So the answer for this comes out to be y as the complementary function comes out to be c1x plus c2 e power mx. So your m is minus p by 2x. This is correct. This is what you're getting.
Yeah.
Okay. C1 plus C2x e power mx. Correct. Okay. Okay. So now tell me one thing. What are the options telling me? So basically, this is my solution. Although it's wrong, actually, you have few more things after complementary function as well. But y square, I think, can never be a solution because it's not a linear combination if you see,
Yeah.
right? Other things,
Yeah.
1
I
plus
think
x
it's
power
very.
n, because
Y dash probably can.
y dash probably can. Okay. Yeah, I think there's only like one correct, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
What's this like answer?
Y square only.
Okay. Yeah. Then.
If I show you, uh,
I feel like most of these questions are hit and trial for this paper.
no, but you actually what? Let me show you something. Um, this thing, okay, the y square is the solution, and so there's no solution here. Somebody brought the solution, same solution, right? They also use this. But problem is that, yeah, I actually find, this particular solution. Okay, this term you're taught, right? General solution,
Yeah.
particular solution, these terms are taught. Okay, yeah, this is easy. This is nothing. Just differentiate and put it any of the equations. But yeah, this is definitely an I would say out of syllabus question. But they asked, right? Rest are technically easy only, right? All of these are easy only.
Practice maths regularly, but still don't improve. Because the same mistakes keep repeating, and no one tracks them. In exams, this turns into confusion and blank moments. With one-to-one mentoring, every mistake is corrected, and real improvement begins.